Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about contact form. So let's see how can we create a contact form in Laravel 8. So first of all, let's create a new controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make colon controller space controller name. Let's say controller name is contact controller. Alright, now press enter. Now let's create a mail class. So just write here PHP artisan make colon mail space mail class name. Let's say class name is contact mail. Okay. Now press enter. Alright. Now switch to the project and let's configure for the email. So just go to the .env file and here let's add Gmail credential. Okay. Gmail user ID and password. Also add here the mail host. So first of all, let's add the mail host. So just write here smtp dot googlemail.com. Okay. Add here the port number which is 465. Now add here the Gmail ID. So switch to the Gmail and let's copy the Gmail ID. So just select this and copy and paste here mail username and add here the password test at the rate 12345 and mail encryption SSL and set here mail from address. Okay, here I'm just going to use same email ID, so just copy this email ID and paste here. Alright, now save this file and just close it. Okay, now switch to the Gmail and here just click on this icon and then account and now click on security and just scroll the page and from here make less secure app access on. Okay, I have already done this. Okay, so now switch to the project and just open contact controller. Okay, so just go inside the app http controllers and open contact controller. And inside this controller, let's create a function. So just type here public function and function name. Let's say function name is contact. Alright, and inside this function just return a view let's say view name is contact dash us. Okay, now save this file and let's create the route for this function. So just go to the web.php file. Inside the routes directory just open web.php and here let's create a new route. So just write here route get add here the URI contact dash us. Okay, now just add here the controller name inside the big bracket. So just write here contact controller. Also add here the controller like this. Okay, and now just add here colon class and here add the function name which is contact. Okay, so just copy this function and paste here. Now save this file and let's create this view. So just copy this view name and go to the resources directory and then views, and inside this views let's create a new file contact us.blade.php. Alright, now here just add HTML5 boilerplate. So just write here exclamation sign and press tab. Now change the title here. So just write here contact us. Okay, now let's add bootstrap CDN. So just go to the getbootstrap.com and here just click on get started. Now just copy this CSS and JS. Okay, so just copy and paste here. Now copy the JS file and inside the body just add here. Okay, paste here. Now save this file and inside this body let's add a form here. So just write here a section, just add some padding. So just write here a style padding top, let's say 60 pixel. Okay, and inside this section just add here a container. Okay, then row, then column, call empty 6, add offset here. So just write here offset empty 3. Okay, and inside this just add a card, then card header, card dash header, and inside this header let's add the title. So just write here contact us. Okay, now add the card body. Just write here card body, and inside this let's add the form. So just write here form method post and include multi-part form data, and inside this form first of all add here @CSRF, and then let's create input field for the name, email, phone and message. Okay, so just write here form dash group, then add here a label for name and just add here name. Okay, now add here the input type text, type is equal to text, and name is equal to name. Add the class name, class is form dash control. Okay, now just close this and now copy this text and paste here 2 times, one for the email. So just write here email and also change there email. Okay, and change the name email. Now add here phone and phone, also change the name phone. Okay, now here just add a text area for the message. So just write here form dash group, and inside this add a label for message. So just write here MSG and here message. Okay, now add the text area. So just write here text area, name is equal to MSG, class form dash control. Okay, and just close the text area. All right, and in last just add here a submit button. So just write here button type is equal to submit. Okay, and the class just add here a class btn primary. Okay, also float right. So just write here float dash right. Okay, and inside this button just add here a text submit. All right, now save this file and route created. Now let's check this. So switch to the browser. First of all run the application. So just write here php artisan serve. Okay, now switch to the browser and just go to the URL contact dash us. Okay, and you can see here the contact form, name, email, phone, message, and here is submit button. Okay, now let's create a function for handle this submit function. So just go to the contact controller and here let's create function public function and function name. Let's say function name is send mail. Okay, send email, and inside this just pass the request $request, and inside this function let's create a details array. Okay, and inside this array just add here name arrow sign $request arrow name. Alright, now for the email ID, so just write here email $request arrow email, and then phone arrow $request arrow phone. Alright, and last for the message, so just write here msg $request arrow msg. Okay, alright, now here just add mail colon 2, and also add here the mail, so just write here use mail. Okay, now inside this just add here the recipient mail ID. Here I am just going to use same email ID, so just copy the mail, just select and copy, and inside this just paste here. Alright, and now just call here a send, and inside this just write here new contact mail. Okay, and also add here the contact mail, so just write here use app mail contact mail. Okay, now inside this just pass this details array. Okay, alright, and now return here, return back with a message, so just write here with and pass the key here message underscore send. Okay, and just add here a message, your message has been sent successfully. Alright, now save this file. Now let's display this message into the contact us blade. So just add here before the form, just add at the rate if directive, and inside this just add here session colon get, and inside this get just add here this key name, which is message underscore send. Okay, now just close the if directive, so just write here in if, and inside this if just add here alert div, so just write here div class alert space alert dash success, also add the role alert. Okay, now just close this div, and inside this div just add here the print the message, so just write a double curly bracket session colon get, and inside this here just add the hash. Okay, not get, hash session colon hash, and then the key. Okay, and for getting the key just call session colon get, and just pass here the key. Okay, now save this file, and now let's create a route for this function. So go to the web.php, and here just create a route post and URI send message. Okay, add here the controller name contact controller colon class. Okay, just add here the function name, which is send mail, just copy and paste here. also give the name, route name. So just write your name, arrow name, and just write here the name contact dot send. Okay. Now just copy this route name and go to the contact us blade, and inside the form just add here action, then double curly bracket, and just write here route, just paste here the route name contact dot send. Okay. All right, now go to the contact mail. So just go to the app directory, then mail folder, and inside this mail folder just open contact mail.php, and here let's create a public variable. So just write here public dollar details. Okay. And here inside the constructor just pass an argument here dollar details, and inside this constructor method just write here dollar this arrow details is equal to this variable. Okay. And inside the build function just write here, first of all add the subject here. So just write here subject, and let's say subject is contact message. Okay. And now arrow, just add here the view emails. Okay. And just write here contact mail. Okay. Emails dot contact mail. Now add here the semicolon. Now save this file, and now let's create this view. So go to the views directory. So just go inside the resources, then views, and here let's create a new folder emails. Okay, this one emails, and inside this emails let's create a new file, this file contact mail dot blade dot php. All right, now add here the HTML5 boilerplate. So just write here exclamation sign and press tab. Add the title. Let's say title is a contact form. All right, and inside the body just add here h1 tag contact message, and here just add the p tag name, and inside the double curly bracket just write here dollar details. Okay, this variable, and here just write details array sign, and inside this just write here name. Okay, now just copy and paste here, and this is the for email phone, and also add here the phone, and this is for the message. So just write here message, and here msg. All right, now save this file. So all set. Now let's check this. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. And now just add here any name. Let's say Jennifer. Okay, email ID jennifer@gmail.com. All right, phone number like this, and here just add the message. Let's say this is just message from contact form. All right, now click on submit. you can see here message has been sent successfully. Now let's check into the Gmail. So switch to the Gmail and just go to the inbox and just refresh, and you can see here the mail. Okay, contact message, name, Jennifer, email, phone, and message. All right. So in this way you can send email. You can create a contact form in Laravel 8. So that's all about contact form. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.